Welcome lovely people to another Temu video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing us how to contact the Temu customer support. So if you have any issues with your orders or if there is any delay at all, anything you just need a customer support on Temu to help you out with, I'm going to be showing you how to contact them. And so far, I've had really wonderful experiences with the customer support. They always try to resolve the issue, be it with delays or anything at all. I've even gotten like a form of compensation on times when the others didn't come on time or one thing or the other. They really try. Like, all my experience with the customer support has been a good one. So today I'm just going to be showing us how to talk to them in case if there's anyone out there that needs a video like this. So this is on the Temu app. You click on the U icon, and then we can see this icon here. We have this headsets icon. You just click on it. So once you click on the headset icon, this page appears. Now if you have any order that you have that is processing or you're yet to get, those orders are going to appear here. If you have delivered orders before in the past, they'll also appear here. So for me, I don't have any order that I'm waiting for to be delivered. I already have these delivered. But regardless, you can either click on it. I can either click on this. This is refunded. Let me click on the delivered one, and choose what my problem is with the item. If it is damaged or defective, received wrong item, package, anything, I can just click on it. And once you click on it, you just follow the prompts. But if all the options that appear to you on the page doesn't suit what you want, go ahead to click on contact us. But even if you don't want to do that, you can still click click on contact us. Wherever you see contact us, just click on it. And then when you click on contact us, of course a bot is going to talk to you. Sometimes you might even get a direct agent. Most times, I don't think I've ever chatted with a bot. I really can't recall at this point, but most times I always chat with a direct agent. They reach out to me. So yeah, just go through the message that is going to pop up. And they're bringing up this because this is one of my recent orders that has been delivered some time ago. So if the order they bring up to you is what you have issues with, go ahead and reply. But if it is not, if it is something else, just go ahead and type whatever it is you want, and I'm sure they'll trash out the issue as soon as they can. And they're always swift. At least for my own experience, I've had really good experience with them. And then when you're done, you can just rate, click on rate and rate the customer support that actually helped you solve the issue. All right, that will be the end of this video. And of course, at the beginning of this video, I'm sure you must have seen my link or my code. You can search for my code on the Temu app, and you have access to free gifts, exclusive deals, coupons of 100 euro coupon of just on the search bar. When I mean by on the search bar, this is what I mean. On the search bar, just type ACR 609164. Yeah, just click on it. And if you're a new app user, of course you're going to have gifts that are offered to you. This code is actually for 100 euro coupon off. The one for the gifts is on the screen. Just click on it if you want exclusive deal or to join the Temu affiliate program. If you're not on the Temu affiliate program and you're shopping on Temu, I don't know what you're doing. I mean, you can join the affiliate program and also earn some money, no matter how little. I mean, it's something. So all you have to do is share your link, and when someone uses your link to shop or to download an app, you get a commission or like a compensation. So I hope this video I did has been able to explain to us how to use or the contact the Temu customer care. Let me know in the comment section if there's another video on Temu you want me to do, and I'll be sure to do it. All right, thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.